Okay, so we're ready to take our photo series, okay? So what I'm gonna start off with is close-up smile, okay? So I'm gonna get pretty close to our patient. I'm going to get pretty parallel to their occlusal plane and get her smile frame centered. And so that's the shot we're going for. I probably could center it a little bit more, so I'm gonna work on that. So let's do another one. Let me center it a little bit more. That was perfect, by the way, Nicolette. Smile real big, good. Okay. So that's our close-up smile, okay? So now we're gonna get lateral. So if you would turn to the right and smile real big, good. And just keep
to this side?
you can turn back towards me a little bit, perfect. Yeah, that's awesome. And smile real big, good. So on that smile, I'm gonna kind of try to center the lateral incisor. So we're gonna do one side. Okay. And then let's do the other side. So smile big. Cool. You can turn away from me a little bit. Cool. That's awesome. Okay. So I'll do a couple like variations. You can turn back. I'll do a couple of variations of like close up and smile real big. I'll get really close and so we'll do it like again, a couple of variations of these. Okay, let's turn to one side and smile real big. So I'm getting a little bit more black on these with the background. And just a couple of variations of that. So we're going to do a couple of headshots, okay? So I usually like to do a couple of headshots. Sometimes I'll get a little bit close, like close cropped, and then I'll do some far away, okay? So we're going to turn the camera vertically, okay? So smile real big for me. So again, I'm stepping back a little bit away from the patient. Now I'm gonna step back even further to get more of, you know, if they have like long pretty hair, like we wanna try to capture a little bit more, okay? Great big smile. Do a little bit more. Okay, and let's look at that, that's pretty good. Yeah, so we'll do a couple of these. So a couple of things I like to do too beyond those is, especially like when I'm looking at temps or finals, is appreciating the incisal edges. So I'm gonna have the patient smile real big and open their mouth as they're smiling. It's kind of awkward, kind of like almost like a laugh, but we're gonna try it, okay? So smile real big. Let's do our head straight a little. There you go, cool. Smile real big and open your mouth a little bit. Cool. So let's look at that. So what we're getting is a little bit of separation between the top and bottom teeth, again, so we can see the incisal edges, okay? So you're doing great. These look so good. I'm gonna actually go back and do a close-up, okay, of you smiling. And open your mouth as you're smiling. Open a little bit more, there you go, cool. Okay, so again, this is just a close-up with her open, again, so that way we can see maybe the lowers a little bit as well as seeing the incisal edges. Cool. Thank you. Okay, so let's go and do the other photos, okay? Cool.